looks reddish.
Hmm.
I keep saying it is totally polluted. That's why it looks beautiful. When
Oh.
when it is clear, it becomes white. Slightly not clear,
Right.
blue.
Okay.
So
When is it blue?
blue is when it is slightly away, because Vibgyor, the
Hmm.
violet will not be seen. Violet is what is seen as blue.
Okay.
So violet will not be seen, but blue will be seen,
Okay.
because wavelength for violet is too less. That is why
Right.
the spectrum becomes clear in the blue. But red will come when it is too far and too dusty.
Okay.
That is why evening sky is red.
Hmm.
That is because you are seeing through the horizontal path in the earth.
Hmm.
Otherwise, vertical looks whitish.
Hmm.
In the noon, mid sun it will be whitish, because the
Right.
path is less.
Okay.
So the distance is more polluted. It is colorful.
Wonderful.
So actually, more learning is not required. You need short learning,
Hmm.
but clear learning.
Absolutely, sir. You said it on the dot.
We have lot
Because
of
this we
data.
have.
We have lot of
Uh,
data, and I keep saying education system is a soft prison in this world.
Education system,
Is a soft prison. SOFT, soft.
soft prison, PRISON.
Yes. We
You're on the dot.
we don't
And
want
that too.
we don't want our children we don't want our children to go onto the street and make noises. So put them into four walls and then make a soft warden. I call teachers as soft wardens.
Right.
The policemen,
Right.
soft policemen, white policemen.
Wonderful. Well said.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, you imagine this during COVID time.
Hmm.
80% of the students are not even connected to classrooms, no learning, nothing happened. They are not digitally available. They are not able to learn anything, but still we give them 10th class plus 1 plus 2 certificates. And we also can, maybe there will be like a place where you can pick up whether you want MBBS, MBA, whatever you want, you pick it up.
Hmm.
Everybody will get them qualified certificates with no knowledge.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Very true. Correct. So when did you retire, sir?
I took my volunteer retirement after 20 years, minimum pension.
And which year is that?
2009.
2009.
Last 12 years wandering around the world.
Oh, and what do you do by traveling all over the world?
I don't know what I did.
You don't know.
I expected this.
So that means you would have continued some secret mission.
No.
Which you don't want to.
I don't know what I did, but today Kerala Parent Teachers Association of all those schools now at this time in Thrissur is giving me Karma Sreshta Puraskaram
Karma Sreshta Puraskar.
for social service and education.
That means you did something in this period.
That is what I'm saying. So I did. My name is TPS.
Okay.
TPS.
TDS.
No, T for Tamil Nadu.
T for Tamil Nadu. P for parrot.
P for parrot, S for Sikkim.
Okay.
But I keep saying I am for teachers, parents and students.
Wow. Interesting.
So I must have seen maybe millions of teachers, millions of parents and millions of students in this world.
How is that? May I know?
I keep on traveling to different colleges, schools. I keep going to different places, give lectures, talk to them, understand what do they do, what can be done, what to improve. Yesterday, Srinivasa Ramanujam's birthday, right? Day for yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
I was there in Mallardi University for teachers and students together. Then I had a program
Okay.
in Kuwait,
Okay.
Indian school Kuwait. So many webinars, classes, talks every day. That's what I'm doing these days.
Wonderful, wonderful. And what do you suggest and what do you advise the student community?
Don't learn maths, physics, chemistry, biology. They are all like different roads for you to learn cycling.
Mm.
What is required is learn cycling so that you can learn yourself.
So that you can learn?
See, we are teaching different subjects.
Correct.
It is like teaching them different roads, how to drive.
Mm.
But we have not taught them how to drive. We have only taught them how to drive on this route, other route.
Mm.
They don't learn driving. They only learn how to drive on that road.
Mm.
So given a new road, they don't know what to do.
Okay.
So see, we need examples to tell them. This is how you should cook. So I will teach them how to make dosha. But they want every dosha to be made with the supervision of teachers only.
Correct.
Because they never learned how to make dosha themselves.
Absolutely.
This is what is happening.
Very, very correct.
So I keep saying a good cook doesn't require to know the recipe of the food. You give the food, they will taste and find out and tell you this is the recipe.
Correct.
So you are not making, or the education system is not making students to learn themselves. They want every time somebody's help.
Mm.
So we want to create learners.
Mm.
No questions, not. You go to any place and ask somebody to ask questions, they don't have questions.
Mm.
That's what is happening.
Very, very true. Why is the education pattern like this?
Because it is not a part of any prestigious job. Therefore, not many good people come for teaching. Number one.
Okay.
Number two, it is not a part of any government proposed program. It is all run by private fellows.
Okay.
The government has no commitment on quality maintenance.
But it is a government designated system which gives guidelines on the syllabus,
See,
textbooks.
that is entirely different. If at all India is doing a good health care, it is just because we have at least government hospitals which are neat and clean, where somebody can go and take a treatment, they can get admitted. And education system, to support this many number of students, how many government institutions are there? Very
No, but
less.
then the government institutions are there, right? You have the government, from the government schools to the government colleges.
Too
They
less.
are available.
If you compare the number of, or the people who are getting into private education, maybe 200, 300 times more than what exactly is there.
Okay.
And everybody believes that no, school education is not good enough, you need tuition. That is, see, we have diluted. We had a all promotion system which came into India, which made everybody, you can pass any examination or without even studying. Probably from 1980 onwards, the education system has become so bad because examination is only a very informal format.
Correct.
We don't have a good examination, means you must test the students, right?
Right.
No testing is happening.
Correct.
So even if you see, you imagine this year, +1, +2 students in Andhra, Telangana, everybody is pass.
Right.
Only 41% fail, I think, but then they made a strike, they decided government will pass everybody. That's it.
Okay.
Everywhere it's like that.
Right.
Yeah. So where are you traveling now?
We are coming to Hyderabad. You know, we had been to a place. You must be knowing Akshara.
I know, I was there last year. Yeah.
Oh, wonderful! How much time you could spend?
I was there almost 2 days. I was there. One day I went for a program. Then again I went in to have some discussions with them.
Wonderful. What is your opinion on Aksharavanam?
Yeah, if they are open to make some suggestions, accept some suggestions and improve situation, it is good. Otherwise, see what happens is any such experiment ends up with poor man's food only.
Such experiments would end up into
Poor man's food.
poor man's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
You cannot.
You mean to say that
you cannot-
more scalability may
Yeah.
not happen?
You cannot make examples from people who. See, it has become like an asylum for people who don't have anything to do with the children. So this becomes a place where you can throw them. You need to make changes. You need to have maybe the what you call as middle people or maybe cream layer people should find interest in such activities. So that means you should make it a little more open up for such people to share their experience, make them to learn, understand. All that is required.
No, I think what's happening there is the exploratory phase is going on, sir.
Yeah, but you cannot do experiment with one life of somebody else, right?
Life with somebody. Okay.
See, I had an option to become start a similar school with many students from different places, but then I said I need few places where many people can come and stay and interact with them on regular basis. And take my children out of their place and then show them the world around all the time.
Okay.
You cannot make a island in isolation. That is not a good thing which I felt.
Okay.
See, the knowledge is not just learning skill, no. Knowledge is also understanding the world around. Understanding world comes only when people keep traveling, interacting with a lot of people, have a lot of questions. Everything is essential. Maybe that will come. It was only in the starting process. So maybe such things added, it may become wonderful.
No, I think he is the key person. He is working on setting the first level of basics in the proper perspective.
Yeah, that may be really right. He has got his own vision and plans.
Absolutely. He has got a very interesting vision.
Yeah.
And once that base foundation is set,
Yeah.
and after that you can build up any superstructure on that.
Yeah, that's true.
And what you are saying about traveling and other things can always be accommodated.
Yeah, but the lost time should not be too large. Lost time should not be too large, I am saying.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Fine. Yeah. It's very interesting to watch different perspectives. And when we honestly exchange such views.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, are we...
Where will you be today in Hyderabad?
Well, CG, could I know your model that you have applied on the 8th or the...
It is there on my YouTube. Some of the actions are there to teach them. First thing was they were in Malayalam medium. I wanted them. They were from a small. I did that model because every teacher and the parents, everybody said my children will not pass 10th class. I wanted the worst children who know hopeless in their family, hopeless in schools, thrown out from every part. So I can do any experiment on them, right? So what I did was I wanted them to have the courage of talking in English, communication skill. So I took them to Goa for 3 days programs. I made them to interview a lot of people and then come back. So many such experiments. It was no plan at all. As I am moving every day, I have something coming. I do a drama without a script. But that is that time. Now if I do entirely different something else. I believe in being creative, look at what is the world around and then try to use the style in which is adaptable to that situation. Depend on the fund, depend on the people, depend on their... I don't make... if you want to make a beautiful chapati, you should know what is that humidity in the atmosphere. Then only you know how much water is to be added.
Right. But primarily, what is your objective on guiding these children and the youth?
Let them have a free thinking, and see that free thinking should be for them to understand what they wanted to do, what they want to learn, how to learn, explore, quest for knowledge, keep on asking questions. If you know how to ask questions, see, Bhagavad Gita is not because of Krishna, Bhagavad Gita is because of Arjuna. If there is no Arjuna to ask question, Krishna will not be will become useless, correct?
Absolutely.
But here our education system, we create a question, we create answers.
And then guide.
Yeah,
Only important question.
yeah,
Question bank, answer book.
yeah, that is what we are doing. That is never part of learning system.
Yes.
Right.
See, no questions. Even very difficult to get some good questions from somebody, right? I used to have lot of children during the Telangana strike problem and all that. Everybody used to come and stay in my house, spend lot of time, dialogue, debate. I have spent sufficient time with engineering college students, MBA students, MBBS students. Lot of people used to come and spend the time with me. So they have potential to learn, but the stuff for learning is not there. Only data is there. Data you need not learn. You have to identify how to analyze it. Otherwise, data becomes only data. All examination is only to check whether you have data or not.
Memory region.
Yeah, that is not what we want.
True.
Absolutely. So how do we move about?
These are all paths. We had a lot of such dreams. We have committed people should be there. Somebody who is ready. See, India is very rich,
Yes.
but India is the most poorest country also.
Poorest in what?
Poorest in
Poor people are rich.
yeah, there are few people who are rich.
Okay.
So if for everything we need money, we need resources, we need people, we need a prestige. Everybody, what you want, everybody wants to become famous, everybody wants to get knowledge, everybody wants dhanam, money. All the three need to be balanced so that people will come forward. So we need to create such a situation where the assurance is given, yes. I was asking a question. We have a lot of Padma Puraskaram given to a lot of people, right, in the country. What are we doing with those people? Why are we giving this award to somebody else who is totally useless in the society?
They become chief guests for many programs
What?
until they die.
Yeah, this is what. So, I will tell you.
Yes,
I will tell you, you were telling some number of 10,000. In the whole India, we have many such Padmas.
Yeah.
Put all of them in a place and tell them don't have bank account. All your property will become our property, a Padma institution.
Right.
And put them into that, and everybody can come and ask a lot of questions and learn from them everything what they want. Because we have Padma police people, Padma film, Padma literature, Padma speakers, Padma teachers. In every field, we will see experts, correct?
Wonderful. Amazing idea.
I will give beautiful ideas.
Padma Institute of Higher Learning.
Higher learning.
Higher and better learning.
But give them a posh life.
Uh,
With their own money, we can create a posh institute, posh life. Give them everything they want.
yes.
A very decent life.
We are just please all the addition workers. Okay, very well.
ABM. Okay.
Only.
I am here. Where to go?
This is giving us an opportunity to start off the dialogue between us. And by the time we see you in person, I'm just wondering whether something will evolve. Yeah, this is a good approach.
No, Manmohan says homework, right? Homework also means hope. I keep saying homework is HW.
Right,
That also means hope and wish.
right.
Yeah.
Yes.
In the regular system, yeah.
Now, Shashiji, basically humans would need better health, and we are a natural beings. So therefore, a better understanding with nature, with reference to the body and the health, is one part of the story. The second part is the emotions and the emotional balance. And the third part is the very understanding of the mind. And what all games the mind can play on people. And it is after all, the majority of the life is all about the mind games that people encounter, right? Within the mind of themselves and the mind of the others. So that is a wonderful subject.
See,
That is subject number 3.
I keep talking about fivefold development.
What is that?
Physical, emotional, intellectual, social and spiritual.
Physical, kindly repeat.
Physical, emotional, intellectual, social and spiritual.
Fine.
That is what is human development actually.
Absolutely. In
Yeah.
my list, I have not put the social part,
Yeah.
but I have given emphasis to the mental part. Mind.
This
Probably
is
we can add this.
this is fivefold actually. This is what human beings are, because if you are not committed to society, you don't know how to live with the society, you don't understand the society, we are not a human being, we are not social being.
Absolutely. For that, what I keep telling is individual, family, organizational, and societal.
Yeah, that is
All
what.
the 4 pillars you need to work.
Yeah.
There is no choice for any human being on this earth.
Hmm.
They have to commit to that.
Yes.
So like this,
Hmm.
we need to develop a series of fundamental approaches,
Hmm.
and we will start preparing the children on those lines.
Hmm.
Children and the youth.
Hmm.
And they will all become members of a certain club, ABC club
Hmm.
or TPS. Did you say TPS? Yeah, right. TPS club.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now, in this, the membership to the TPS club is a lifelong membership.
Hmm.
The guy who comes in cannot go out. There is no exit mode here.
Hmm.
His only exit is a final passport.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So in that span, we will create the whole system
Hmm.
of how the transformation to keep on continuously happening
Hmm.
from the individual to the family to the organization and the society.
Hmm.
The whole structuring will be laying,
Hmm.
and he cannot afford to go out of the system.
Hmm.
Like how
Hmm.
the existing system
Hmm.
is locking us and making us insecure.
Hmm.
Like that, we will create this system.
Hmm.
Because anyway, people succumb to some system or the other.
Hmm.
So we will start saying that this existing system is the old world order, and that system is no more going to work well.
But until and unless you have a good rope to tie them together, good rope to tie them together.
Good rope to tie them together.
Yeah.
Okay.
That rope is actually what today world which is using as the most powerful rope is hope.
Correct.
So if we can give hope, everybody will be there with us.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah.
That's what we need. We'll talk
See,
to Reliance
that is what I said.
and use some of their latest PVC technology to get a nice rope.
That is what I said. That rope is what can be given by the rich people.
Correct.
Yeah. What I did was,
Now we need to...
see, when I told you the last time after 10th and 12th, I don't know where to take them. There was a rich man who said, we will support you, funding and all that. And then we had a big project plan, registered a university, and then started giving some degrees can be given. But then such people know, if they are not committed to this, goes in the middle. So we will become soup.
No. Now our job is people. Yeah. People like me and Vijay, our job is a 24/7 by 365. We are committed to this cause. Now we need to find out more players. They are available. They are randomly available. Now tap. We need to go talk. Tell them this is the model. You tell me what role you're going to play. And take your cake. We are not bothered. I'm not going to. I'm not going to centralize anything. Matlab, the ideology will be there. And the ideology day by day, period by period. Like, we will create the Microsoft version 1, TPS version 1. And that will be going on. There will be some flaws. When we get the feedback, you will get some flaws. So then, when a notable set of flaws are coming, then we will sit again simultaneously and work towards TPS version 2. Like that, it will keep on improving. Then on the other side, in the social media or some other media or ABC, BBC, we will start floating this information and tell that all resource persons come start applying and take your cake. It is a monetary model.
No,
where people can pay will pay subsidy. Those who want, they'll get the subsidy. Then those who need some support, they can be given the support.
Yeah, this is what like a bank system where we have, put your deposit, then the banking system, how it runs.
Correct?
Yeah, put to them the resource, but the bank doesn't have any money. They only pick it up from somewhere and then give it to somebody else.
Nobody has got any money. Everybody has got paper and plastic.
That is what I'm saying. So if we can have such a system wherein we know how to roll these resources, I'm sure it will run for longer. That's it.
Absolutely. That's what I was knocking my head for years together. And now only I'm getting closer to more and more people. And I'm sure that in this round we should be able to do something, sir.
If I can say or intervene, one of the things that will give comfort and clarity and validity to this is, if we take one of the first things is there's a lot of knowledge that is existing already. Data is there, knowledge is there, wisdom is also there. One of the key resources needed is the financial resources. Physical infrastructure is also needed, but financial resources, that has been taken as one of the primary things, at least at a model level. And if there is some amount of thing is generated, that will make sure that there is a sustenance of this bringing it to an action plan and rolling this action plan. I think that will be better, I think.
Now here, I would go on to say that all the resources, including the funds, also can be generated.
Yeah,
And the only thing is that even coming to the physical establishments like infrastructure, whatnot, there are so many existing infrastructures available, underutilized. Okay. We can also find them. Then what we have to smartly do is we have to strategically go on a hybrid model, wherein about 70% should be online and 30% should be offline. So that will save a lot of cost and resources.
See, the biggest problem is if we can make a beautiful design.
Correct.
And that design can be implemented. There will be, as you said, there are a lot of institutions which can be under that umbrella with that design. It is like affiliating.
I'm totally ready.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Affiliating to that, I am sure there will be a lot of people coming forward.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So what is required is, what he said is cash is required. And more than that, commitment is required.
True.
Yeah.
No, first is the commitment. No,
We-
that is absolutely understood, Sashiji. Why?
Yeah.
Because immediately whenever we talk about a model or an idea, immediate question is what is the stake for us?
No, see,
Majority of the people
that
think
is
in
what
terms of the
I'm
stake.
saying. Unless instead of volunteers, if you have, assume that I could pay 10 people for next 1-2 years, then we know what to get done from them.
Yes.
You need anything you need.
Correct.
There is no point in making a beautiful dosha or beautiful soap in this world if you don't know how to market it.
Wonderful.
True. That's what I'm. Yes.
Wonderful.
And because we are competing with the people who are spending crores of rupees for advertising the face wash, which may be a poison, but still people will buy it.
Yes.
Correct.
So we need actually ambassadors who are charismatic. We need people who can spend money. And anything which is not done in a large scale, people don't have trust today, because branding has become actually what is in forefront is branding than anything.